So what kind of thoughts do you process, right? Based on your bring up, based on your past lives, based on what you see in your surrounding, your environment, based on your exposure, right? What you process becomes the flow. What you process, what you like, right? Whatever you like more, right? Whatever you associate deep emotions with becomes your flow of thoughts, right? If you feel that people in the world cheat you, and if you continuously think that, that becomes the flow of thoughts. If you think that you always find good people in the world, that becomes your flow of thoughts, right? If you think you are shortfall of money, that is what, because you're associating deep emotions with it. I don't have money, I don't have money, I don't have money, my business is not doing well. You're just, because your subconscious mind processes whatever you associate deep emotions with. Okay. So, and we associate, so you may want to reflect, what are the things that you are associating deep emotions with? Are they forward looking or are they backward looking? Is it about regrets and guilt in life, or is it about what you can do with what you have now, right? So it's very important to what kind of, because you can change the flow of thoughts to you, right? If you are talking people, it's a weak mind. People like gossips, right? If you are talking events like, oh, that happened in America, this is happening in India, this happened in China, this happened in Pakistan, that is what is going on in IPL. All the time your conversations revolve around events which are not that directly related to you. That is kind of a average mind, okay? And if you are always thinking ideas, creation, what else can you do, what else can you improve, okay, that's a strong mind. Because strong mind think great ideas, is always ideating, is creating. Weak minds and average minds are consuming. So as an entrepreneur, it is very important to make a choice: creation or consumption. Creation over consumption. Make sense? I hope you're making notes of what you like, and I would also like you to share what do you think, what I have whatever I have shared with you so far. Does it make sense? Right. So your direction of intelligence should always be towards creation over consumption.